Alright, 6:45, 15 minutes. Let's do it. Alright, I don't know about you, but editing with one of these things is really starting to give me the shits. I don't know if I'm just getting old or lazy or both. I actually don't answer that. In this video, I want to show you what I think is Lightroom's best kept secret. It's a thing called smart previews. I don't know why, but I only discovered this maybe a couple of years ago, and it's changed my life. And it will probably change yours. Basically, in our line of work, we travel a lot, and I mean a lot. If it's not across Australia, it's international. If we're not chasing lions, we're shooting at luxury resorts, and we're always shooting and editing on the go. What I love doing is editing on a plane. Something about traveling on a plane that just gets me nice and calm. I get in my zone, I have red wine in my right hand, music in my ears, and I'm just in the zone. But what I hate is having to plug this in because I always forget about it, or it disconnects, drops off, or I'm just too scared about spilling something in this. So smart previews, what it does is it enables you to edit your Lightroom images without having the need for your external hard drive to be plugged in. How it works? Really simple. First, plug your hard drive into your machine, open up Lightroom, get the catalog going, and you start doing your assembly process. Once you find the images that you want to use, you need to select all, go up to the top under Help and just type in Smart Previews. You'll see a thing that says Build Smart Previews. Select that. What it does is it selects all those images that you've selected and it saves a copy, not the original size copy, just a small bite-sized copy into your machine. Then what happens is you can disconnect this and it essentially allows you to edit offline. Brilliant. The catch with that is you're not using the full pixels. You can't zoom in all the way. If you do, it gets a little bit blurry, but it's enough for you to keep editing. You can make all your normal adjustments as you would normally do. And then here's the kicker. What happens is after you edit or you get off the plane, you go back into your studio, you plug your hard drive in, and what happens? It syncs up beautifully. And all those changes that you made on the plane, once you connect this up, it's synced and ready to go. You can export it straight away. Now, how you can tell the difference is in your Lightroom catalog on the bottom, you can see a little white square. Click on that, that basically tells you that there's a smart preview available. If you look at this image next to it, there's an exclamation mark. There's no smart preview attached to it, which means it's completely offline. This is another amazing thing. If you want to export it to show a client as a preview file or throw it up on your Instagram real quick, you can export the smart preview file. Even though it's a small file size, it's still actually pretty decent to throw up on your Instagram feed and so on. So you can export that out, or if your client wants to see the high res image, then you can plug your external hard drive back in and export that out. That's it. How amazing is that? All right guys, that's it from me. I'm wrapping up. I hope that helps. Make sure you hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.